एंकरिंग।
चलो आज एंकरिंग करेगी सुहानी। ओके
ओके सर।
सुहानी, अब मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, अब आप ही बोलोगे। और नाम देख लोगे ना आप शुरू से ही।
यस सर।
और कोई टॉपिक हमने किसी को नहीं दिया है, पर्टिकुलर कोई टॉपिक नहीं दिया है। रिकॉर्डिंग चालू हो चुकी है आपकी, कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक नहीं है। और एंकरिंग आज कर रही है सुहानी। और बाकी मैंने आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दे दी थी। और अगर किसी कोई क्लासेस वगैरह हो, जाना चाहे स्पीकिंग करके, वो जा सकता है, परेशान ना हो। पर वो ही जाए जिसको वास्तव में जाने की जरूरत है, या जिसकी कोई क्लास है, जिसको नानी के जाना है, या कोई ऐसी इमरजेंसी है, तो वो अपना स्पीकिंग करके जा सकता है। क्लियर हो गया बात आपको?
थैंक यू सर।
ओके चलिए, हाँ सुहानी नाउ। सुहानी।
ओके सर। Hello everyone, my name is Suhani and I am the student of B8 batch. And today's
सुहानी अपना
anchor.
कैमरा चालू कर, फिर मजा आएगा तेरी एंकरिंग का तो बेटा।
Okay sir.
हाँ दिखेगी तू भी यूट्यूब पे बेटा।
Yes sir.
हाँ यस वेरी गुड।
Today is not a particular topic, and we speak about our own topic. So first name is Bhavesh. Bhavesh, please come and speak.
Thank you. My name is Bhavesh. My name is Bhavesh Sharma. Today's our topic is Today's my topic is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a good festival. Janmashtami celebrate because the dead they birth Lord Krishna in the earth. We all of us celebrated Janmashtami that the Queen Devika gave birth to Lord Krishna. Krishna's yummy food name is butter. Lord Krishna is eighth son.
आवाज तेज करो बेटा थोड़ी।
Lord Krishna is the eighth son of King Vasudeva. Janmashtami celebrate is a pomp. Mata Yashoda feed butter to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna like cows very much. Lord Krishna sing a flute. That they clean temple. That they decorated temple to flowers. That they people very happy. Lord Krishna give a right direction to us. Thank you.
Very good, Bhavesh. Keep it up, and your speaking is very well. And now it's turn of Priya.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm telling about today.
बेटा वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है। हाँ।
So my topic is on the Krishna Janmashtami. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. This day, Lord Krishna was born. This day, the most important festival. This is the most important festival of Hindus. It is celebrated in the Bhadrapad Maha on Ashtami. This day, Krishna was born in the Karavas of Mathura, and Krishna was and Vasudev. He is also son of the Yashoda and Nandlal, and his childhood passed in the Gokul. It is uh, it is called that Krishna was the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is this festival celebrated in all India. This this day this this day people keep fast of Krishna for getting a child and big age and good wealth, etc. This day temples are decorated by the flowers and many things. People this day people also decorate jhaki uh, and show Krishna Natak also. Janmashtami is celebrated at 12 p.m. and this day people buy new clothes for and uh, and swing and swing palna also. I love this festival very much. That's it.
You speak very well and your content is very well. And keep it up. Next time you speak better. And now it's turn off Shri. Shri, are you here?
Shri, okay, leave her. Call the
Yes,
next
sir.
name.
सर श्री है.
है, कोई बात
Yes,
नहीं, अभी इसके बाद में ले लेना. You can take her
sir.
after the next candidate. Yes, yes, Shri.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Nitika Sharma. Today I am going to telling you about Janmashtami. The India is very big country. There are so many festivals celebrated. Janmashtami is also one of them. It is celebrated in the month of August. It is very popular festival because it is celebrated because on this day Lord Krishna and Devi Radha was born. On this day people are very happy and people people put on new clothes on this day and most of the children are very excited for this festival. On this day children perform Krishna, Lord Krishna and Devi Lakshmi in the evening and special worship is done in temples and uh, and people make sweets, different type of food, etc. at their homes and we worship the god. um, we also celebrate this festival and mm, um, near my there is a temple near my house where we celebrate this festival and I my brother and sister is also perform Radha and Krishna. uh,
Perform. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा.
but
हाँ, कोई.
now
हम्म.
but now I am not. I was also perform Radha, but now I don't perform as Radha. Um, I like this festival so much. That's it, sir.
You speak very well, and you are little student of my batch, and you speak very well. You speak always very well. And now it's turn of Miss Gati.
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. We all know it is our national festival, and on this day we have a great feeling of patriotism. And on this day, everywhere there is a feeling, or there is a atmosphere of patriotism, and this festival is celebrated by all the native of India very happily, and at on this day they feel very grateful and proud of their country, because on it this festival is celebrated every year on 15th August. And this in 1947, 15 August 1947, our India got freedom from British rule. So this festival is celebrated. And on this day the Prime Minister of India does flag hosting on the Red Fort and give a speech towards the native of the nation. And on this day the flag hosting is done by the people of India, uh, and uh, in every at everywhere. And in the schools this festival is also celebrated very joyfully. Many types of programs are done on this day. people perform many dances at the song of patriotism, and many speeches are given by the people or by the children also. And this day sweets are distributed in the schools. So it is our national festival, and we should not see this festival as a national holiday, but we enjoy and we celebrate this festival like all festivals. That's it.
Where are
You
you,
speak
Swani?
very well. You speak very well, and your contents and your sentence is very well. And
इसमें बेटा
now
पास्ट
is
को यूज किया करो, आप यूज पास्ट टेंस। यू स्पोक वेरी वेल, योर सेंटेंसेस वर वेरी वेल, पास्ट को यूज किया करो बेटा यहाँ पे, है ना?
okay, sir. You spoke very well, and
हाँ।
now is turn of Miss Karina.
Hello everyone, my name is Kalyan Alwani. Today I am telling about the Holi. Holi is an Indian festival. It is mainly the festival of Hindu uh, came come on a full moon day of Falgun month in the Hindu calendar. It is one of the most important festivals in the country. It also famous as the name of the festival of colors in the different part of the India. People of other religions celebrate this festival with equal passion and enjoyment together.
हम्म।
In Holi, on the occasion of Holi, all the family members gather at one place, which is almost impossible for the rest of the year. We get a reason for meeting our friends and relatives and celebrate the festival together, and it strongs our bond. That's all.
यस स्वानी।
Sir, मेरा माइक
अनम्यूट।
कभी कभी हैंग हो जाता है.
हाँ, अब बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. You spoke very well, and you spoke very well, and next time you spoke better. And now is turn of Spursh.
नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई
Hello,
टू स्पीक बेटर, है ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट
Next
टाइम
time try to
ट्राई
speak better.
स्पीक आएगा फिर, अब है ना? स्पीक इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई टू स्पीक बेटर। ओके। यस स्पर्श।
hello, good evening everyone. My name is Ishwar Gupta and I am the student of Ramban English online interactive classes from batch B1, and today's my topic is Janmashtami. India is called the festival of country and many festivals are celebrated here. Janmashtami is one of them. Janmashtami is celebrated to remember the birth of Lord Krishna. On this day, Krishna took birth in the prison. It is celebrated with full of full of happiness in all over the world. On this day, people worship Lord Krishna at their houses and in temples. Lord Krishna was born on the eighth day of dark fortnight. He took birth to remove all the evils from the earth at that period. This day, people take of Krishna
इनकारनेशन। हाँ।
incarnation of Krishna and break the pot which is filled with makhan. This day makhan is made in all over the world because Lord Krishna Lord Krishna's sweet dish was makhan. On this day, houses and temples are decorated with lights and people worship on this day. They take birth on this day, and this day is very beautiful day because on this day all levels are removed by Lord Krishna. That's it. Thank you.
You spoke very well, and your contents was very well. And now is 1 second, sir. Now is turn of Miss Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes. As we all know that we are Indians and we celebrate all the Indian festival like Holi, Deepavali, Dashera, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, etc. And today I want to tell you about Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a very famous festival of Hindus. This day Lord Krishna born, and this day all temples are decorated and with the lights and flowers, and this day all people keep their fast and broke at the night when Shri Krishna born. And this day all people celebrated this festival. All people celebrated this festival in the mandir, in colony, like they sing a song and they dance, and they uh, and some culture program were also organized by the peoples. And this day,
प्रेजेंट में बोलोगे ना आप तो इसको बेटा,
yes sir,
तो फिर पास्ट को यूज क्यों कर रहे हो? हाँ, यस
sir. Lord Krishna is son of Yashoda and Nandlal, and his childhood passed in Mathura, Vrindavan. And this day, all people look very happy and wear new clothes and celebrate this festival. That's it.
सभी लोग थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखें, थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे ना आप लोग टेंसेस पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें आप लोग, सभी लोग बोलते समय थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे तो ठीक होने लग जाएगा. ओके, यस स्वानी.
You spoke very well, and you spoke very well, and keep it up. Next time, try to speak better. And now is turn of Astha.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am telling you about Janmashtami. India is the country of festivals. There are many festivals celebrated in India. Janmashtami is the festival of Hindus. Janmashtami is celebrated in the month of August. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. It is a festival of enjoyment. It is also the festival of Hindus. It is the festival of entertainment. On Janmashtami, Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. Lord Krishna loved butter. People decorate their houses for worship on this day. On this day, the temples are also decorated, and people make palnas in their houses. Some people perform dance and do actings in temples. People wear new clothes on this day. People make many types of food in their houses.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
In my colony there is also a temple. In that the festival Janmashtami
is held. हाँ.
Is held.
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
It is a popular festival. Some people make sweets in their houses, and some people purchase very costly sweets from market. It is a day of joy. Some people participate in school on the day of Janmashtami. The temples are decorated from the flowers, lights, etc. on Janmashtami. I like the decoration. I also help to decorate my house. Some people wear traditional dresses. They also do a role of Radha Krishna. In the temples, a pot hangs on a rope. In that there is butter. because treat. Thank you so much, sir. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
You spoke very well, and you have good knowledge about it. And now it's turn of Ashwak.
Hello everyone, my name is Isfar Khan. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is about Janmashtami. We all know very well that India is the country of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here, and most of the festivals are important, and Janmashtami is also one of them. Uh, it is celebrated Ashtami of Bhadrapad, and on that day, temples of Lord Krishna are decorated with lighting and flowers, and it is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was the eighth son of my Devaki and Vasudeva. And Lord Krishna's second mother's name was Ma Yashoda, and Lord Krishna's place name was Gokul. Gokul. On the day Dayandi is broken by some people. Makhan is also kept into Dayandi, uh, Dayandi because Lord Shri Krishna liked Makhan. Uh, Makhan is also distributed on that day. This festival is also celebrated with happiness, and that's it.
Good knowledge. You have good knowledge.
Thank
You
you,
Very
sir.
good.
spoke very
Yes.
well. You spoke very well. Your contents it was also very well. And now now is turn of Divyanshi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes B6. Today our topic is on Janmashtami. India is the country of festivals. There are so many festivals are celebrated in the India. Janmashtami is one of them. This day, Lord Krishna was born in India. Uh, Sri Krishna likes so many things like they like cows, they like play with boys, and they like so many things. Uh, this day, temples are decorated with flowers and so many things. In the midnight, this festival is celebrated. So many people take part in the play and in the dance. So many colonies organized function in their colony, and people take part in this. In in the homes, the temple is also decorated. Uh, this festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. Uh, Mishra is also distributed in the temples, and I like this festival very much. That's it, sir.
Where are you,
Sir, she is left.
my dear anchor? She's left. Very good. Wonderful. Yes. Okay, Divyanshi. Nice speaking. Very
Thank
well.
you. Thank you, sir.
Good. Very good. Keep it up, beta. This is all the matter of practice. You know very well. You all know very well that where are you today is because of your practice. Keep it up. Never lose it. Yes. Come on, Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. Myself Priyanka.
Sir, I'm here.
Where are you? चल अब आगे से संभलना. Yes. Come on,
Sir,
Priyanka.
मेरे names गए. Sir, मेरे names गए.
कहाँ गए names?
अब search ही हो नहीं हो रहे names.
तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं बोल दूंगा नाम तो, है ना. तू नाम को लेकर के
Okay,
फिर कर
sir.
लेना. ओके. अभी तो प्रियंका बोल रही है बेटा, है ना. इसके बाद मैं बोल दूंगा नाम. नाम मैं बोल दूंगा, बाकी तो संभाल लेना. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Yes, come on, Priyanka.
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about Krishna Janmashtami. There are
Hmm,
celebrated many festivals. Janmashtami is one of them.
hmm,
Krishna Janmashtami is a major festival celebrated every year by the people of Hinduism.
very good.
It is celebrated as the birth date of Lord Krishna.
Hmm,
And Lord Krishna is the god of Hinduism. Uh,
hmm,
this festival is celebrated on the Ashtami of the Krishna Paksha of Bhadrapad. Mm, uh,
hmm,
on this day, Lord Krishna was born in Mathura, and it is believed that Krishna was the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. And Lord Krishna was the child of Yashoda ji and Vasudev. Lord Krishna is known by the name of Govind, Bal Gopal, Kana, Gopal, etc.
hmm.
Um, mm, etc. On the occasion of Janmashtami, um, everyone observe a fast which is broken at 12th clock at night.
Hmm.
And all the people make panjri and panchamrit in their homes. After the birth of Lord Krishna at 12th clock in night, arti is read, and after this everyone breaks their fast. That's it, sir.
Very good. Yes. Come on, Swani.
You spoke very well, and your contents is very well, and you have great knowledge about it. Keep it up. Next time, try to speak better.
Okay.
Dilkhush.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Dilkushman. I am the student of Ramban Online Practice Classes from Batch B6. Now, today I am telling about Diwali. India is the country of festival because many festivals are celebrated here. Although all festivals are very important for us, Diwali is also one of them. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram. Four other festivals are celebrated with this festival. First of all, Diwali. So Dhanteras is celebrated. This day, some people buy utensils, gold, silver, vehicles, etc. Next day, Choti Diwali is celebrated. After it, the main festival Diwali is celebrated. This day all people buy sweets, and special food is prepared. In the evening, Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji are worshipped by the all people. Next day, Govardhan is celebrated. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. After it, next day, Bhai is celebrated. This day, all sisters apply tika to their brothers, and all brothers give gifts to their sisters. In this way, this festival is celebrated for 5 days. That's it.
Very good. Yes, Swani.
You spoke very well, and now sir, अब इस बार turn किसकी है?
Trash. Trash.
Now it's turn of Drush.
Good evening, all of you. I am Drashya Agrawal, and today I will tell you about Janmashtami. Janmashtami is very, very special for us. It is celebrated because Lord Krishna took birth on this day. Um, he was the eighth son of सर उनकी रियल मॉम कौन थी?
Devki.
Devki. Devki. He was the eighth son of Devki. He was born in a prison, but he done many good works. He killed many evils. He protected he protected Gokul, Vrindavan, and many places from evils. He while when he took birth, um, his father um, his father took him in a tokri, and on and and hold it on his head, and he पहुंचा दिया को क्या बोलते हैं सर
took
and he क्या सर
took
and he took Lord Krishna and he sent Lord Krishna at his friend's home, Nand,
Hmm.
from, and he take his friend's daughter, and after that Yashoda thought that Krishna is her son. That's it.
You spoke very well and your contents is very well. And next time try to speak better.
Harshit Maurya. Harshit.
Are you here, Harshit?
Harshit. Harshit, I think he is not here. He has lost his connection. So okay. Now we can take the name of, just a minute. दृश्य हो गया, हर्षित है नहीं. Yes, now Nisha.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am going to tell you about how do we celebrate Janmashtami. India is country of festivals because many festivals are celebrated here. Janmashtami is one of them. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. It is celebrated on Bhadpat at Ashtami. It is told that this day Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. Lord Krishna was eighth son of Devaki and Vasudev Maharaj. But Vasudev left his son in Vrindavan because he saved his son from Kans Maharaj. From when Lord Krishna is told the son of Yasoda Maya and Nandlal. Lord Krishna has many names like that Nandlal, Kana, Kanhaiya, etc. It is told that Lord Krishna take avatar for finish all badness in the earth. Lord Krishna like butter very much and cow is favorite of Lord Krishna. That day all people happy very much. This day all temples are decorated with balloons and flowers, and all people keep fast for child happy life and good wealth, etc. It is very nice festivals and I like this festival very much. That's it.
Suhani.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You spoke very well, and your contents and your knowledge is also great. And now, whose turn
Harshit.
is?
Is Harshit present?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on, Harshit.
Janmashtami is a Hindu's festival. Janmashtami are celebrated the birth of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami is celebrated every year on the 8th day of the Krishna. Pakshani, the month of Bhadrapa. He was born at midnight of this day. Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. Shri Krishna was the eighth son of Devika and Vasudev. He is considered as
Considered. Very good. Considered. Yes.
as an avatar of the Lord Vishnu, Krishna.
Krishna's birthday is celebrated with
very good. The last one. Yeah. But A M. Karna M.
Yes, Harshit. Harshit, I think he is lost. Yes, come on. Tamanna, now you.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Tamanna.
pomp
Today I'm
is
Harshit, your connection is not okay. So, okay, Tamanna, कंटिन्यू करो बेटा. थोड़ी आवाज अपनी तेज करो बेटा. If it possible,
okay, sir.
make your voice clear. Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Tamanna Meena. Today I'm going to tell you about the festival of Janmashtami. As we all know, India is the country of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here like Ram Navami, Ganpati, Janmashtami is the one of them. It is celebrated with great pomp and enthusiasm. On this day, the Lord Krishna took birth. So we celebrated it. It is celebrated. It comes on Ashtami of Bhadrapad. Temples and houses are decorated on this day, and prasad and sweets are made in homes. Many people keep fast on this day for child getting child. On the temples, the handi is held at the midnight. The celebration of Lord Krishna's birth. The celebration of birth, the Lord Krishna is celebrated with great pomp and enthusiasm. Many people perform like Radha and Krishna on the temples in cultural program, in cultural songs. I like this festival. That's it. Sir.
You spoke very well, and your sentence are also very well. And whose turn is it?
Sonam.
Now it's turn of Sonam.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. Today I am here to give a speech on topic Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a main festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Sri Krishna. According to the Hindu calendar, Janmashtami is celebrated every year on the eighth day of the Krishna Paksh in the month of Bhadrapad. He was born at midnight of this day. Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. Sri Krishna was the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva. He is considered as an avatar of the Lord Vishnu. Krishna's birthday is celebrated with great pomp in Mathura and Vrindavan. Mathura and Vrindavan are very famous all over the world because Lord Krishna spent his childhood in this place. Lord Krishna has played an important role in the war of Mahabharat. Lord Krishna was born to free the world from evil. Devotees decorate their houses with lights and worship Lord Krishna. Hindus celebrate Janmashtami for 2 days in temples, homes, etc. Janmashtami festival is very famous for the Yandi in Maharashtra. The Hindus perform different places, Lord Krishna devote dance in various religious songs. It is one of the most enjoyable festival of Hinduism in India. That's it, sir.
Yes, Swani. I think she has
You
gone again.
spoke very well.
Yes.
No, sir. I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay, beta. Yes.
You spoke very well, and you have also great knowledge about it. And the next time, try to speak better.
Yes, Harshit, are you able to speak now? Harshit,
Yes, sir.
you are. Yes, are you able to speak? Yes, come on. You are given a second chance. Hurry up.
Yes, sir. सर जिधर तक पढ़ लिया तो उधर से पढ़ो ना.
हाँ, पढ़ना नहीं है, बोलना है. पढ़ रहा है क्या? पढ़ रहा है क्या देख देख के?
नो सर.
तो
बोलना.
हाँ.
With great pomp in is Mathura and Vrindavan people makes sweets in their houses. That's it, sir. That's it.
Okay, okay. Yes, come on. Yes, come on.
You,
Komal.
you spoke. Sorry. You spoke very well, and now next time try to speak longer.
Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello friends, my name is Komal Meena. Today I am telling about Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is a festival to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. These days people wear new clothes and go to temple. He was born in Mathura many hundred years ago. सर जेल को क्या बोलते हैं?
जेल को प्रिजन, जेल भी कहते हैं.
Okay, sir. This day Krishna born in prison and his father Vasudev gave Krishna away to his friend Nand. Nand take care of Krishna as his son. After many years, Krishna killed his uncle Kans. So we are celebrated this festival. Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated at midnight because Lord Krishna was born in the dark. That's it.
Yeah, you spoke very well. And whose turn is it, sir?
Just a minute. Jyoti.
Now it's turn of Miss Jyoti.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling about Janmashtami. So I want to tell about Janmashtami. Every person's mind comes with three questions like what is Janmashtami, and second, when do we celebrate it, and third is why we celebrate it, and why we celebrate it. So let's start about it. Janmashtami.
Very good. Very good.
Janmashtami is a pure day. On this day, Lord Vishnu was born as Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was born on according to Hindu calendar Bhadrapad Krishna Paksha on Ashtami. Ashtami, so it is called Krishna Janmashtami. Lord Krishna is called by many names like Bal Gopal, Bal Krishna, Nandlal, Bal Krishna, Kana, Baki Bihari, Radha Krishna, Radhesham, etc. It is said that when evils was spread, it is said that when evils were spread on the earth in Dwapar Yuga, then Lord Krishna was born for finish the eliminates of evils. It was born from the bomb of Devaki in the prison in the midnight, and he is at number child of Devaki because 7 children were killed by the Kans because 7 children were killed by the Kans because he was very unkind person when he was heard the sir भविष्यवाणी को क्या बोलते हैं? हेलो सर, भविष्यवाणी को क्या बोलते हैं?
अरे यार तुमने एकदम पूछ लिया मेरे से। अ, भविष्यवाणी को क्या बोलते हैं यार, एकदम से तुमने पूछ लिया मेरे से।
गुरुजी रिकॉर्डिंग रोक दो तब तक।
नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं रुकेगी है, आगे बोलो आप।
अच्छा,
मेरा दिमाग कहीं और था अभी। हाँ,
when he was heard भविष्यवाणी of God that Devki's child will kill two cons, so he feared and killed 7 children. After Krishna birth, his father after after Krishna birth, his father left in Yashoda Ma house, and Yashoda Ma and Nand Baba bring up him. When Lord Krishna grow up, then he killed monster, many monster. He loved Radha, and he runs flutes. It is said his it is said his lover was Radha, and 108 gopias and 108 gopias also loved him. After grow up, he killed his mama Kans, and finished evil on the earth. On this day, many people keep fast, and this day temples and houses are decorated with lights and ashok trees leaves. On this day, coriander, pinjri, and panchamrit are prepared in all houses and temples, and Krishna Lila program is held in many places, and many children take part, like Krishna and Radha, and that's it.
वेरी गुड। प्रेडिक्शन, फोरकास्टिंग, प्रोफेसी, फोरटेलिंग, ये आप यूज कर सकते हो। यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड फॉर भविष्यवाणी, फोरकास्टिंग, प्रेडिक्शन। एकदम से मेरा दिमाग भी उस समय कहीं और था ना, so I could not tell you the meaning. Yes, now
you spoke
Swani.
very well, and you spoke very well, and you have also great knowledge about it, and it is very useful for you, and you spoke very well. Your sentence is also very well. And whose turn is it?
Anjali.
Yes, sir.
Now it's turn of Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali. Today, my topic Janmashtami. There are many festivals celebrated in India. Janmashtami is one of them. Janmashtami is most important festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated all over India with enjoy. Janmashtami celebrate is as Lord of Krishna birthday. Janmashtami come in Bhadrapad. His birth palace in Mathura. Krishna is the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudev. He is considered an incarnation of Lord Vishnu.
इनकारनेशन, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, हो जाएगा ये सब ठीक। बोलो आप।
Janmashtami fast on that day. People make many sweets and many dishes. That day, small children made Krishna and Radha. People are happy on this day. That's it, sir.
You spoke very well, and your sentence is also very well. And next time, try to speak better. And whose turn is it?
Ruchika.
Now it's turn of Ruchika.
Yes, hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I am telling about Janmashtami. As we all know that Janmashtami is celebrated on the birth of Lord Krishna, and it is celebrated in the month of August. And on this day, all temples are decorated with the lamps and flowers. All people are very happy at this day, and at many places Krishna Leela is done, and this day small children put on Radha and Krishna dresses, and they look very happy and nice in their get up, and and sweets are made at this day. And Sri Krishna liked many things uh, like makhan and grazing to the cows and basuri. The main thing is basuri, and he play every time basuri. And this basuri, by the listening of this sound of this basuri, all people forgot their all problems and listen this carefully. And its sound was very interesting. And at this day all people welcome to the Laddu Gopal at at their houses. And because Lord Krishna born at the night, so many women took a vrat, and they broke it at the midnight. And the kheer is made at this day also.
दैट मत लगाओ, दिस डे से पहले बेटा,
Okay, sir.
और टेंस
At
का
this
ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा। हाँ ओके, बोलो, आप बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो। और ये
yes,
गलती होने दो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा फोकस करोगे तो ठीक हो जाएगा, बोलो।
okay, sir. And people go to the temples for watching the jhagi of Krishna. And Lord Krishna also wear to the jewelry, and he looks very nice in this in this jewelry. And all people are very happy. That's all, sir.
You spoke very well, and your contents, your sentence is also very well, and you are speak always be better. And now whose son is it?
Yeah.
शिवराज।
Yeah.
Now son of
Hello,
Shivraj.
Narwal. Today is topping my father. My father's name is Mr. Sajani Narwal. My father is 45 years old. He is a farmer. He loves all family members. He is everything for me. My father is very kind and helpful. I love my father very much. That's it, sir.
ओके, गुड, यस। दीदी कहाँ गई?
ये रही सर, ये रही।
आ जाना, तो फिर कहाँ चले जाती है तू? आजा।
यस सर, सर मेरा
हाँ
माइक हैंग अप हो जाता है सर, फिर ऑन
हाँ,
नहीं
कोई बात
होता।
नहीं, पापा को बोल दूसरा फोन दिलवाए तेरे को, नया बढ़िया वाला। आप बोल।
नहीं सर।
हाँ,
Now you spoke very well, and next time try to speak longer. And whose turn is it?
रश्मि।
Yes, sir. So my topic is Diwali. Diwali is most important festival in India. Crackers are fire in Diwali.
ऑन दिवाली।
On Diwali. New clothes wear on Diwali. Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji worship on Diwali. Diwali is coming November. People are clean houses and shops. People purchase different things. People make sweet and dishes. Diwali celebrate 5
इट्स
days.
सेलिब्रेटेड।
It's
वर्ब फॉर्म
celebrate.
को ध्यान रखो बेटा थोड़ा सा। हाँ
Okay. 5 days. First day celebrate Dhanteras. Second day celebrate Choti Diwali. Third day celebrate Man Festival Diwali. Fourth day celebrate Govardhan. 5 days celebrate Dogas. Done, sir.
ओके बेटा, थोड़ा सेंटेंसेस को ठीक करोगे आप, है ना? आपके सेंटेंसेस का जो है वो फॉर्मेशन अभी ठीक नहीं आ रहा है, मैं बताऊंगा आपको बाद में। ओके, यस, कम ऑन।
You spoke very well, and you spoke and try to speak better next time. And whose son is it?
पिंकी, आई थिंक पिंकी इज नॉट हियर, सो चेतना। चेतना, आर यू हियर?
यस सर।
यस।
सर मैं टीचर पे बोल रही हूँ।
बोल, किसी पे भी बोल, जिसपे तेरी मर्जी है उस पे बोल बेटा।
ओके सर। माय टीचर्स नेम इज राजेश गुप्ता। ही इज a teacher. He teaches English. He is 53 years old. He live in Jaipur. He has a BV. Her names is a Kamlesh. She
तेरे
is a
वाइफ
very
ने हर वाइफ्स नेम इज, आराम से घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, है ना,
जी सर।
फोकस कर, थोड़ा सा टॉपिक पे फोकस कर, हाँ सेंटेंसेस पे
सर
फोकस कर
सर
बेटा।
एक बात बोलूं?
हाँ
सर हर की जगह हिज लगेगा।
हाँ, हर हिज लगेगा बेटा, बिल्कुल सही है। यस कम ऑन चेतना।
हर
हिज
वाइफ
हिज
नेम
हिज 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 वाइफ्स नेम।
his wife's name his wife's name is Kamlesh.
हाँ।
She is very beautiful.
हम्म,
She is very intelligent. She is 38 years old. He is very good. He teaches he teaches English very good.
हम्म,
He likes English. He wear kurta pajama. He
हम्म,
he works very hard.
हम्म,
He get up at 5 in morning. He
हम्म,
sleep at 12 in night.
हम्म।
He is very intelligent. He called me. सर डांटने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Scolds me.
Calls me. He loves all children. He teachers in school. Teaches
He
in his
teaches.
school. He teaches
Teaches,
in
हाँ
his school. He is
हाँ।
very beautiful. He is work hard me. He is a hard worker. He goes to temple on Tuesday. That's it.
वेरी गुड, यस। कहाँ गई?
You spoke very well, and now and you spoke very well. Try to speak longer and better next time. And whose turn is it?
प्रीति।
Okay, now it's turn of Miss Preeti.
Okay, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Firstly, my topic is your birthday, and I am
ओके,
singing a song for your birthday.
ओहो वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी
बार
मच।
ये आए, बारे बारे दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर चाचा जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। That's
थैंक्स अ लॉट प्रीति, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
and now my topic is Krishna Janmashtami.
यस।
So the Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated all over the country. As India is the country of festivals, this is also celebrated as a festival in our country. And this festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna because it is believed that Lord Krishna was born on this day, and it is celebrated on on Ashtami of Bhadrapad month according to Hindi calendar, and according to English calendar it mostly comes in August and September or September. So on this day, people decorate their house, temples, and the temples of their neighbors are also decorated and cleaned. Many kinds of jhakis are also decorated in the temples. The children also get ready like Radha and Krishna, and they visit to the market with their parents, and jhakis are also being सर घुमाई जाती है, मीन्स मार्केट में बाजार में निकलती हैं।
आर ट्रेवल्ड,
आर
आर
ट्रेवल
शॉन, ऐसे कर दो आप तो।
are traveled in the market, and people worship these jhakis like they feel that the Krishna, the Lord Krishna, and the goddess Radha is in front of them, and they believe that if they will worship these jhakis, then the Lord Krishna will accept their worship, accept their prayers. And on this festival, in schools are also many competitions are held. There are many fancy competitions, fancy dress competitions, and many religious dress competitions. The children also go to their schools in to be to decorate as themselves as a god or as a Lord Krishna, and they also hang the flute, and they look like like Jesse like as a Lord Krishna is coming in front of us, and we feel very happy to see them, and we enjoy this festival a lot. And on this festival, people keep fast, and they um, they they bring the swings for Lord Krishna, and at night, at as Lord Krishna, as it is believed that Lord Krishna was born at night 12 o'clock. So people also celebrate his birthday at night 12 o'clock, and many kinds of dishes are prepared in this on this day, and many sweets are prepared um, in the homes. And when people break their fast, they eat these sweets, and they enjoy this day a lot. And we also enjoy this festival very much. We decorate our house, and we bring many kinds of toys, and we decorate our temple with toys, grass, and and lightings. That's it, sir.
Good. Yes.
You spoke very well, and you have great knowledge about it, and you are elder to me. And whose turn is it?
Koinur.
Yes, sir. Happy birthday, sir, once again.
Thank you, beta.
Hello, everyone. My name is Konur, and I'm the student of Raman English Online Live Interactive Classes from Batch B8. Today, I'm going to tell you about on the topic of Krishna Janmashtami festival. We all, as we all know that India is a very big country. Here, many types of festivals are celebrated. Uh, Krishna Janmashtami is uh, fe- Krishna Janmashtami is a festival celebrated by the Hindus in India. Hindus celebrated Hindu celebrated this festival on the occasion of the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna. It is celebrated in the month of August. August. Every August every year by the Hindus all over the country. Mm. Uh, Lo- Lord Krishna is one of the most powerful avatar of Lord Vishnu. Hindus celebrated this festival with a lot of joy and happiness. Lord Krishna plays an essential role in Mahabharata, and he also talks about good karms during Mahabharata. Mm. The the purpose of the birth of Lord Krishna has rid the whole of evil, and his mother name was Queen Devki, and his father name was uh, King Vasudev. That's it, sir.
You spoke very well, and your sentence is also very well. And next time, try to speak better. And whose turn is it, sir?
Payal.
Now it's turn of Miss Payal.
Hello everyone. Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hello everyone. Uh, today, today talking about Janmashtami. Um, Janmashtami is very famous Hindus festival. Janmashtami is also called Krishna Janmashtami and or and Gokulashtami. Janmashtami is a main festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated with सर उत्साह को क्या बोलेंगे?
Enthusiasm.
Great. This festival is
Enthusiasm. हाँ
This festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna.
हम्म,
He was born at midnight
हम्म,
of Krishna Paksha.
हम्म,
Lord Krishna was born in Mathura. K- Krishna Krishna was the eighth son of Devki and Vasudev. Mathura and Vrindavan are very famous all over the world because Krishna spent his childhood uh, in this place. Mm. Krishna was born to protect the world from evils. People celebrate this festival with people celebrate this festival uh, doing puja at midnight. Uh,
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला पायल तुमने इसको। हाँ। हम्म।
on this day, on this day, Dahi Handi program is organized all over the country.
हम्म।
Mm. On this day, Lord Krishna temples are decorated with flowers and lights,
हम्म।
along with Rangoli is also made on this day. Uh, on on this day, everyone fast. Uh, on this day, fasting is completed with Panchamrit and Panjiri. And I love Janmashtami festival very much. That's it, sir.
नाइस स्पीकिंग पायल, बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट मैं देख रहा हूँ आपके अंदर। वेरी
Thank
गुड,
you, sir.
शाबाश।
You spoke
यस
very well,
दीदी।
and your contents or sentences very well, and you have also great knowledge about it. Keep it up, and next time try to speak better.
Sir,
Thank you.
sir, can I
यस
listen?
यस
Thank you, sir.
यस यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yamini. I telling about Janmashtami. India is country of festivals. So many festivals celebrated here like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami. I telling about Janmashtami. Janmashtami. It this is this is this is in the memory of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami is birthday of Lord Krishna. Temples are decorated and Lord Krishna Lord Krishna is worshipped. Worshipped. We are put on new clothes
हम्म।
and go outside and celebrate Janmashtami. Little child put on Radha Krishna's dress
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, शाबाश। यस।
and play, play
प्ले द रोल ऑफ राधा कृष्ण।
role of Radha Krishna.
हाँ,
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश, वेरी गुड यामिनी, वेरी गुड इम्प्रूवमेंट, शाबाश। यस दीदी।
You spoke very well. You spoke very well, and your confidence is also very well. And next time, try to speak longer and better.
वेरी गुड। वंश।
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from Batch B8. Today's topic is Diwali. Mm, Di- they are celebrated many festivals in India like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc. But Diwali is most popular festival in India. Diwali come in Diwali. Diwali come in October, November. Mm. Uh, we 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 purchase many in clothes. We put on many clothes. We fire crackers. Diwali is Di- Diwali is celebrated 5 days. The first day we celebrated Dhanteras. Many people purchased many people purchase many items on Diwali. Second day, second day we celebrated Doop Chodas, and third day we celebrated Diwali. We fired crackers on Diwali. We fourth day we fourth day we celebrated fourth day we celebrated Bhai Dooj. Then fifth day we celebrated we celebrated then we then then we eh, so sir हाँ then fifth day we celebrated Govardhan.
सेलिब्रेटेड नहीं, सेलिब्रेट बेटा, प्रेजेंट में होगा ना बेटा।
Celebrate, okay
हाँ
sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप। हाँ
Many peoples are happy on Diwali. Mm. All all people fired crackers. That's it.
गुड।
You spoke very well, and the next time try to speak better, and your confidence is also very well.
नेक्स्ट इज सुहानी।
Oh, now it's turn of me.
यस, द
Okay,
एंकर
my
ऑफ
name is
दिस प्रोग्राम।
Sohani.
यस,
My name is Sohani, and today I'm going to tell you about mobile phone. And mobile phone is very necessary device of our life, and it is very essential gift of science. And it has been it is and there are everyone have their own phone. Some people is poor, so they have not a smartphone. They have a keypad phone, and some people are not interested in smartphones, so they have their own keypad phone. In keypad phone, there are small buttons and not technologies in it. We cannot install more apps in it, and it is not it is not smart. And smartphone in smartphone there are many types of smartphones in present time, like Oppo, Vivo, etc. And there are many companies provide mobile phones in present time, and there are and there and long time and before long time there are many there are many low price phones there is it, but present time there are very high and costly phones are available in present time. And not keypad phones, there are some shops are there are keypad phones are available in on some shops. Not every shop, but there are only some shops available keypad phones. In mobile phone, there are many apps like social media apps, study apps, and there are Play Store also in every smartphone. We purchase games and many things in it, and there are so many phones. There are so many phones about in India and in countries, and everyone has their own phones. We we improve our general knowledge with by phone. We improve our general knowledge by phone, and there are so many apps like study, social media apps, social media apps like Instagram, short video apps like TikTok and etc. There are people who spend their most of time on mobile phone, and we improve our general knowledge in mobile phone by news apps like Ask News, Google by Google. Google is also very essential app of mobile,
And there are games also like piano tiles or for kids and elders also. There are also disadvantage of mobile phones. Mobile phones like we we watch watch T series and etc. long time on mobile phone. Then our eyesights are weaken in small age. And there are also there are also bad things on it. And we do not use these bad apps, and some
Should
hackers
not, should not, कोई
hack
बात नहीं.
our bank
हाँ.
have hack our bank and etc. thing like our money and Paytms. And there are they they सर चुराने को क्या कहेंगे?
Still.
They steal our money in our mobile phone. And there are also money apps like they are joined our banks like Paytm, phone pay. And we pay money without cash. We pay money by our mobile phone, and in mobile phone our save our money. And that's all, sir.
Very good, Swani. I am much proud of you because of your confidence. Because every time you are ready for anchoring the program, and your flow is also very nice. Contents are also very nice. Very good, Swani. Keep it up,
Thank you, sir.
shabash. And now I think Mona, you are
Yes, sir.
left. Yes, come on, Mona.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is Janmashtami. There are many festivals in India, but Janmashtami is one of them. And Hindus celebrate festival for the birth of Sri Krishna.
Hmm.
And this fest uh, it is
Sir, can I?
celebrated in
Yes,
August.
yes. Astha, जाओ जा सकते हो बेटा कोई बात नहीं. Yes, come on, Mona.
It is celebrated in August, and on this day people celebrate Janmashtami in midnight. And on this day people purchase many things, and people put on new clothes. And people worship midnight. On this day people worship midnight. And um, on this day people are happy, and that's it, sir.
दीदी.
हाँ सर, मेरा रह गया अभी विनय।
हाँ नहीं, अभी वो कमेंट
You
करेगी ना
spoke
कुछ. अभी
very
आपका
well.
मुझे ध्यान है, आपका नाम है अभी.
You spoke You
Yes.
spoke very well, and your confidence level reached out to many levels. And slowly your confidence is growing up and improve your confidence. And now it's turn off. Whose turn off now?
विनय मैडम.
Now it's turn off Miss Vinay.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to share my views about Janmashtami. As we all know that India is the land of festivals, and we celebrate lots of festivals. And Janmashtami one of them. Janmashtami is the main festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm all over the
Raise your voice,
India.
विनय.
आवाज नहीं आ रही सर?
या थोड़ी सी कम आ रही है. Raise your voice a bit. Hurry up.
ओके सर. अब
आप बोलोगे जब पता चलेगा.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to share my views about Janmashtami. As we all know that India is the land of festivals, and we celebrate lots of festivals. And Janmashtami one of them. Janmashtami is a main festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm all over India, because on this day Lalla took birth. When Lord Krishna took birth, his parents were in the jail, and he took birth to kill lots of uh, evils. Those were spread that time. And Janmashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. According to the Hindu calendar, Janmashtami is celebrated every year on the 8th day of the Krishna Paksha in the month of Bhadon. He was born at midnight of this day in the
Yes,
Mathura.
yes.
Yes,
नहीं आप तो बोलो मैडम, वो कोई
he was he was eighth son of Devki and Vasudev. He is considered as an avatar of Lord Vishnu. His birth is celebrated with great joy and happiness in Mathura and Vrindavan. People keep fast on this day and open their fast at midnight after worship of moon. Then they take food. Mathura and Vrindavan are very famous all over the world because Lord Krishna spent his childhood in this place. Lots of memories are found here about his childhood days. Lord Krishna has played very important role in the war of Mahabharata. Devotee decorate their house with light and worship Lord Krishna. Hindu celebrate Janmashtami for 2 days in temples, home, and communities. Janmashtami festival is a very famous for Dahi Handi in Maharashtra. The Hindus perform different ritual to please Lord Krishna. Devotee dance in various religious song. National holiday is also given on this festival. It is one of the most enjoyable festival of Hinduism. And different type of sweets are made on this day, call them pag in the most of the house. The decoration work is started 2 days before. Entire Mathura and Vrindavan are decorated with colorful cloth and balloons. CD are placed most of the place, and in which songs are played and people enjoy them. People come from various part of India to celebrate this festival. On the very next day, Nandotsav is celebrated in temples of Vrindavan and Mathura. So many people distribute edible things to these pilgrims, those who are come from other part of India. And at the at the end, I must say that there is no home in Mathura in which Laddu Gopal not live. It is treated as the family member. They purchase new dress for Laddu Gopal and celebrate this day like his child birthday. And people talk with him and share their problem like they are sharing their problem with uh, a, a alive person, and they solve their problem also. So it is a very fantastic and joyful festival. That's it, sir.
You spoke very well, and your contents, your sentence is very well. Your flow is also very well, and your great knowledge about it. Next time, speak better and keep it up.
Thank you.
And now, is there anyone? Ruchika, has Arshit come? I think Ruchika is also not here. Yes, okay. I think there is no one. Remain. Okay. Now I am stopping the recording.
Sir, all only party is remaining.